Hey there, quick review on this tank top Mr. Heater propane heater. Really nice, don't need electricity to run this thing, and it throws out a ton of heat. Let me show you how it works and some of the key features. The first thing you'll notice, it comes assembled all out of the box. You just simply have to put this bracket on right here with 3 screws, but then you can put this bracket on any standard propane tank. You see the slot right here. It's gonna slide right over the top of your propane tank flange. Then you're just gonna tighten up this bolt, which is gonna set it in place and keep it from moving. Hooking up the tank, really simple. Threaded connection here. Just gonna stick that in place there. And it's just a matter of tightening it down. Shouldn't have to use any thread compound or anything like that. It should seal up just fine. You'll notice there is a handle right here. You can direct the heat direction a little bit right here just by pushing that handle. And whenever it's running and it's hot, this still stays cool and you can go ahead and move that around. Quick close-up overview of the functions here. Again, here's our handle for tilting the direction. Works really good. Here you've got high, medium, low, and off. Simply turn to adjust your heat setting there. Leave that in the off position. To start it, there's a push button right here. That's gonna release some gas, and then you'll use a lighter to light it. It does not have an internal spark mechanism that lights it. You need to use a lighter to do that. And then again, around the back side here, it's our bolt to tighten it down. We'll go ahead and start this up now. To start it up, we'll go ahead and open our valve on the tank. You'll adjust your knob over here to high, and then this red button right here, you're gonna push in and hold it down, and that's gonna start to release the gas. Then you'll use a lighter. You can use a stick lighter or a torch to get it started. So I'll be pushing this in, and you might hear the gas start to come out. And then you're gonna leave that red button pressed in for a little bit, and that's going to light it up. You've got the flame going here. You're gonna immediately see it's gonna get red hot, and it's throwing off a lot of heat already. The great thing about these heaters is that they do not require any electricity, and they're completely quiet, and they're very portable. Basically, anywhere you can carry your propane tank, you can take this with you. Really throws off a nice amount of heat here. And if we want to adjust the temperature down, you're just clicking the knob over between low, medium, and high. It's extremely easy to adjust the temperature. So this thing really throws off a nice amount of heat. Even where I'm at right now, I almost can't have my face any closer with it on high like this. Throws off a really nice amount of heat. Super easy to use and install, easy to ignite. A lot of great features. If you're looking for a tank top propane heater, I'd recommend this one. It's really nice.